Hi, in this video we will learn about the cosine rule and when to apply the cosine rule. We apply the cosine rule when we are given two sides and an included angle. As shown in this first diagram, we are given the side here and the side here, 5 cm and 9 cm, and the angle between them, which is called the included angle. So, to find the missing third side, we can apply the cosine rule. This second set of formulas here are derived from these formulas, and they are to be applied when we are given three sides, that is, no angles are given, as shown in this second example. We know all the three sides of the triangle, but we do not know any of the angles. So to find any of these angles, we have to apply this second set of formulas. Now let's look at how we can apply this first set of formulas. Now let's see how this triangle is labeled. This triangle ABC, the side opposite the angle A, we use the small letter A, and the side opposite angle B, small letter b, and also small c opposite the angle C. So if we want to find the side A, then we use the first of these formulas. So A square is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. That is 5 square add 9 square minus 2 times b times c. In this case is 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 9, and cosine the angle between the two given sides, which is cosine 45 degrees. Now using the calculator, let's work out this value. We get a value 42.36 and so on. So therefore A is the square root of this value. We get 6.508. When rounded up to 3, the significant figures should give us the value 6.51 centimeter. One easy way to remember this formula is whenever you want to find the size of any side, we just take the sum of the squares of the other two sides minus 2 times the other two sides without the square here, and cosine the angle between them. So if you want to find the angle, or rather if you want to find the side B, then we take the square of A and the square of C, add them together, minus 2 times A times C, and cosine the angle between the two given sides. Now let's look at example 2, where we are given three sides and we want to find one of the angle. Let's say this is the angle we want to find. So let's call this angle x. So applying the formulas here, cosine x is equal to, start with the two sides on both sides of the angle that you want to find. So it's 5 square at 6 square minus the square of the side opposite the angle that you want to find, divided by 2 times 5 times 6. So when you work this out, we get the value 0.8666. So the angle x is the inverse cosine of this value. Which will give us the angle (29.9 degrees) to 1 decimal place.